Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to draw pictures for the given letters. In this activity, we have to draw a picture for the given letter. Now we have to see this. What are the things which start with G? So I want to tell you that there are a lot of things which start with G. Example: grass, glass, goggles, and etc. And now I am going to draw glass in front of you. So it is glass. G, glass. Now which letter is this? It is L, and the phonic sound of L is L. Now we have to see that which things start with sound L. So there are a lot of things: lion, lemon, lollipop. The thing which you feel easy, you can draw that. Now I am going to draw lollipop here. This is our lollipop, and it starts with the sound L. Now your assignment is this, that you people have to draw pictures for letter O, and its phonic sound is O. You people have to draw pictures for letter S, and its phonic sound is S. After S, you will draw for letter K, and its phonic sound is K. You can draw kite, you can draw king. Now it is letter Z, and you can draw zero, zip, zigzag for this letter.